What comes to mind when someone mentions urban survival? Is it the ability to navigate the concrete jungle, using your street smarts to stay safe and secure? Or perhaps it's the skills and abilities needed to survive a major disaster in the city, when resources are scarce and danger lurks around every corner. In reality, urban survival is a blend of both. It's about being prepared for the worst, while also being adept enough to navigate the day-to-day realities of city living. Consider, for instance, the difference between surviving in the city during a crisis and surviving a disaster in the wild. The skills required for each are vastly different. In the wilderness, you might need to know how to start a fire, find water, or build a shelter. In the city, you might need to know how to find safe places to hide, secure food and water from abandoned stores, or navigate through a chaotic and dangerous environment. But there's another layer to urban survival, the need for street smarts. It's about more than just physical fitness and survival skills. It's about being able to read people and situations, navigate social scenarios, and make smart decisions quickly. It's about being aware of your surroundings, being prepared for any eventuality, and being mindful of how you interact with others. Street smarts also involve practicality, using your common sense and intuition to assess and respond to potential dangers or opportunities. And it means being a good communicator, being confident, and learning basic self-defense techniques. Remember, in a disaster scenario, it's not just about surviving the immediate crisis. It's about maintaining your health, mental well-being, and physical fitness in the long run. That means starting a fitness routine now, while things are still normal. Start small, do activities you enjoy, and work your way up. Consistency is key, and your efforts will pay off when the going gets tough. In conclusion, urban survival is a mix of preparation, street smarts, and physical fitness. It's about being ready for anything, from day-to-day city living to major disasters. It's about being aware, being prepared, and being quick on your feet. So stay alert, stay fit, and stay smart. Because when disaster strikes, those are the skills that will keep you alive. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it could very well save your life. For more tips on how to survive in a disaster, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If there's a specific topic you'd like us to discuss, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments below. We're always here to provide you with the information you need to stay safe. And remember, until next time, stay ready, stay active, and stay prepped.